wait, we should look for cranberries. The green one?
Yeah, because lemon, this is lemon. This is gonna be way too sour.
Okay, so we're looking for canned coconut. Drop it.
I'm not gonna fight you.
You're bullying me.
I am.
You're bullying.
Get your, no.
Okay, so we're in the, what is this aisle? The alcohol?
It's the wine, beer.
This is
beer.
Shut up. You're so loud. Oh look, agave. Agave, right? Is that one the one
What
we
is
need?
it, agave?
No, over there. Agave.
Where?
Syrup. The three, yeah, above that. Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Isn't that what we need? Agave? Or no?
Oh, I guess it is.
Oh look, they have pina colada. This one actually looks kind of good.
You're right.
Is that one?
It
Okay,
is.
what else do we need?
So we don't have rosemaries. Julia said
Rosemary. That's not how you say it. Wait, what else do we need?
everything's from the liquor store.
Really?
So we need
Oh,
tequila and
can
triple
we
sec.
check if they have Christmas cookies?
Yes.
I want this one.
For me?
Oh wait, that one kind of looks good too. So we got 2 little cocktail cups, 2 ounces of tequila. This is the tequila that we're using. I'm actually really excited to be putting this in my bar cart too. I'm gonna cut this little lime up just for decorations towards the end. I need to learn how to cut things because I'm honestly like not good at cutting like fruits and stuff. I just really eyeball it. Okay. I think this is about a good size because this is just for like the end. Oh, I also need to go get my strainer. Perfect. Okay, so it says 2 ounces of that.
2 ounces is 1/4 cup. So basically a shot. Let's pour into these first so we can measure it. And then at the end, let's put it in there and shake it.
And then after that, we need to do the coconut cream. Next thing is coconut cream, so we just got this one from Walmart because it was honestly the only option. Triple sec. Oh, my bad. Okay. For all my ladies who have nails, this is how I open my stuff. Oh, this should look dry though. Maybe we have to mix it.
Will it be sweet?
It's sweet? Really? Okay. So we're gonna try this one. When I first opened it, it looked very solid, so I think it's just now starting to get kind of liquidy. But honestly, the video isn't really specific about it. He literally just said like canned coconut cream. This is pretty sweet, so I think it will work out.
It says 1.5 ounce of coconut cream.
This is what it looks like after I mixed it. It's a lot more liquidy, and it's actually really good too. I mean, at least we know it's good, so I feel like once we shake it up, it'll be good. Now we're doing 1/2 ounce of triple sec.
Good.
So this is the agave syrup that we got. We got this little teeny tiny lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce.
Go!
Look, you made a whole mess. This is literally Andres all the time, and he doesn't even notice he makes these messes until I call him out. Literally. Eee.
Put it in.
I don't know what that's gonna be like, but okay. I'm scared. This is like the reveal. With the ice, it's gonna be good. All right, so we're gonna crush some ice in my Ninja, and I hope it doesn't break. Somebody said you should do more vlogs with your boyfriend. Y'all are the cutest. Thank you. It's Anna.
Me? What the hell?
Oh!
Look, guys.
I don't even know if we did this right.
Look at that, guys. It literally looks like there's snow.
Okay, so this drink, by the way, we didn't even say what drink this is. This is the Christmas margarita. Yo! feel like we need more ice.
Did you want to put solid pieces of ice?
Yeah, can you bring like 2? Don't be, oh my god, it's still recording. So we got some cranberries that we're gonna open up. We got the cranberries. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna add this for decor. Oh, we need the lime in there. We almost forgot the lime.
Lima.
Okay, ready?
Cheers. It's pretty strong. Actually, I forgot to mention one thing. When we added the, what was it?
You measured something wrong.
When we did the triple sec, I accidentally did twice as much as we should have. So it's gonna be a little stronger. But it's still good.
My video was still filming.
Goodbye.